Rushali, what's the situation in Mumbai at this point in time? Of course, there is an absolute stall of medical services in a number of government hospitals across the country. Tell us what's happening in Mumbai.
Well, as far as Mumbai is concerned, in the JJ hospital, which is a government hospital, doctors have stepped out and they have protested for the justice, but also there is a need. This is the need of the hour that the protection of doctors are very important. There has to be amendments in the act itself. These are the demands made by the doctors here today outside a JJ hospital. But this is the very first time where even the Bollywood has also reacted to this. In that many celebrities they have tweeted, they are demanding as well that this is a very heinous crime and the strict action has to be taken. This has to be set up as benchmark to these kind of things may not happen again. So certainly people are coming out, they are expressing. It's not just a medical faculty who is reacting in Mumbai, but also different sectors are also reacting. First time Bollywood has also reacted. Many stars have come out and reacted to this. So certainly the JJ hospital medical students, they are also doing the agitation. Many days since this thing has happened, they have made it very clear that the protection of doctors are very important. JJ hospital is something that it's a government hospital, and the doctors are very much vocal about it. They have witnessed a lot of these kind of incidents before as well. So certainly
Rushali,
they are coming up in a large number and demanding for the justice.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.